I got something I want to share with you. Look at this home. Absolutely stunning. So here we are at 215 Bunker Place Drive in the heart of Santa Rosa Beach in the Dune Allen area and Gulf Place, right in between the two. Beach access not far down the street. Got a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths on the first level. The basement has a 4th bedroom and an exercise room office that's got a little kitchenette and a 2-car garage with a whole lot of storage in between. If you're looking for a full-time residence in the Santa Rosa Beach area, very close to the beach, 215 Bunker Place. It's the place you ought to be talking about. Look at the size of these porches. Look how wide they are. And look how long they are. And they've got a screened-in porch over there, and they've got a screened-in porch over there. And right here, I can smell the salt air, and I can hear the waves of the Gulf of Mexico. You're living at the beach, surrounded by beautiful trees. Lush. Very lush. Again, 215 Bunker Place. Place to think about.